What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the Mondays review series. And in today's video we have this beautiful EG here, VTI, Civic VTI ride-and drive from Kuruma Imports, and it is completely stock. It is kind of like the creme of the creme, how you want it. There hasn't been a single bolt touch on this car, hasn't been a single mod done to this car, and we actually brought it here today, little electrical power plant, just to give you guys a different scenery, because I feel like all the videos have been filmed at the same spot always. So we're here today, VTI ride-and drive Civic. Let's go ahead and get the video started. I'm gonna run down everything that's on the car. There's a nice little special treat this car has that comes from Honda, which is crazy, where you can see the difference what Honda does over in Japan and the not so good stuff that we get here in the States, or at least when this car came out, the not so good stuff that we get here in the States, because this car is very nice. And the engine for the VTI, if you guys don't know, this is a single cam from Honda. So let's get the video started. Let's go. Okay, so here we are with the Civic, and excuse me a little bit of the noise. I think there's one of the compressors for the electronic is turned on behind me. So here we are with the Civic. This is a 93. It's actually an EG4. If you look at the VIN number, this is an EG4. It obviously is a 3-door. And this is a single cam. This is a VTI EG4 VTI. The paint on this car is amazing. I'm not sure if this is the original paint or if this is the paint that maybe the owner back in Japan painted it, but the paint looks amazing. It looks actually OEM, but like it came from factory, but it just looks very, very nice. It does come from Honda with the side markers, and it's obviously just a hubcap, but it does bring also the mud flaps, as you guys can see in the bottom there. It's pretty good. It's a very clean car. Being ride-and drive, it does come with the blue interior. The VTI is known for come with the blue interior. It's a very sought after interior on the car, and it's just overall very clean. If you want to get in touch, this car is actually for sale here at Kuruma Imports. I'll leave all the link below where you guys can reach him, phone numbers, and they'll definitely give you all the details on purchasing the car. The car does have also the mud flaps in the back, and everything on this car has been very well maintained. We're definitely going to go in the interior. We're definitely going to go in the engine so you guys can check out the engine. But let's look at the trunk first, because George from Kuruma Imports was telling me to look at the trunks, because all the paperwork from the car from the dealer is here, and you can see everything. So let's look into that, and let's look at the man. This car is super clean, and look at this. This is so dope. Okay, so let's look over the paperwork. So we have the Honda Primo, we have the original Honda Primo, just a little package, and it's got all the paperwork. Obviously I don't read Japanese, so I won't be reading any of this to you guys, but let's start with this first. So here we have the maintenance logbook, or the maintenance notes. And you can see everything that you do over in Japan. They write everything down, and everything that needs to be done to the car. You guys can see here their maintenance books is just a little bit different than ours, but you can definitely see that there are some markings, so they definitely have done lots of maintenance to this car over the years. As you can see here, like brakes, you can see there like the drum brakes or the pads, how they marked it off, and everything that's been done to the car. Look at all that. You can see everything. So this is the notebook for the maintenance. Here we have the manual. I believe this is the original manual. It also has markings on it. That's all the markings on it. Everything that's been done to it. Gives you a lot of explanation. I would take this more detailed, I would say, from the manual that you get here from America. The good thing about this is that if you are purchasing this car, everything else here comes with it. This is actually, I believe this might be the manual. I'm not sure what the other one was. This does give you a lot of explanation also in Japanese, and tells you everything. We have here also some more paperwork. Let's go through them and see what we got here. I would take it this is for the radio. As you guys can see there, MP3, AAC. So I'm not sure if this is from this car, because this is a 93. I take it that MP3 wasn't out in 93, but I could be wrong. Here it is. This is the Pioneer book, audiobook from Pioneer. So it's got all the audiobooks And it's got, and then look at this. This is the safety key points, safety driving points from Honda. It's got everything on it. It tells you everything I would guess you should know or have to know in Japan from it. Okay, so the first thing that grabs your eye here on the interior is that the VTI has the blue interior. Now, if any other EG came with blue interior, please do let me know, as I am not very informed on the complete VTI line or the single cam line from Japan or whatnot. Look at this blue in the back, looks amazing. Now, look at that, gathers speakers. You have 2 speakers in the back, so you have a total of 4, and it's obviously manual. And we have the pole button here for the parking pole. We also have a flare. We have the original Civic Honda floor mat from Honda Access. These are the Honda Access floor mat. This is very good. This is very unique. And you also have the mats in the back. When you look in the interior, we have just your regular steering wheel, very stock, very and it has the little Pioneer radio that they put aftermarket. And looks very nice, man. Like I said, everything here is it's original. There hasn't been nothing touched. Nothing has been aftermarket other than the radio. It does have 79,000 miles, 79,000 kilometers. I'm sorry. So it's definitely under miles for it. You can see the oil sticker here that they've done on the side that they put it. So it's very unique to see the Honda Access mat and everything else that comes with it. So actually, let me go ahead and open the hood. You can see the engine and see what we're working with here. All right, so this is the engine. This is as clean as it gets. You can practically eat off of here. This is how good Kuruma Imports does. You know, like this thing got a complete detail, and like I said, this is completely stock, so there really isn't, I mean, there probably isn't much to clean here, but as you can see, everything is still original. All the bolts, all the clips, everything is still here. Everything is all there, and it's super nice. Now, the good thing about this is a 1.5. This is definitely a gas saver, but you're also getting an LSD transmission with this engine, which is pretty nuts that you have a single cam with an LSD transmission. You guys can see there on the block that it says 1.5. It's got everything is on it, all the clips, there's nothing missing. All the hardware, it's all there, it's all intact, it's all in place. Now look at this. If you guys know what I'm talking about, right there next to the master cylinder. And you know, if for my OG Honda guys know exactly what I'm talking about there. Leave a comment if you know what that means, or if you know what that is, or what that does to this on this car. Everything is there, super clean. In my personal taste, I probably wouldn't do a damn thing to this car. This car is too clean and too nice. I think I would just buy this, take it to shows, enjoy it, maybe get some wheels and lower it, but that's about it. I would definitely not even take out the single cam. I would keep the original VIN matching engine to it being an LSD. Should make it a fun little car, and maybe track it every once in a while, but definitely no mods or any of that sort. Looks super clean, super. Everything is completely there. There's not a missing single clip in this car, or missing a single bolt. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked the EG4 single cam VTI with the blue interior. It looks amazing. And this is kind of mainly, obviously, my channel, it's a Honda channel, and it's very much a vehicle channel, not a Honda channel. I tend to record everything that's in the community, everything that's JDM, but mainly this is what catches my eyes, and this is what kind of does it for me, finding these things and finding these cars, very rare parts, very not limited, but this is so nice. And this is kind of like that authentic Honda Japan, like with the nice rare parts, the single cam LSD. This is what kind of does it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you guys like the video. Definitely more to come. you know, and your boy, the DC5 over there. I'll see you guys.